Audio Jungle.
We're here on our first annual Spooky Science Monster Mash at the Phillip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science, where we've invited guests from all over Miami-Dade County and beyond to explore our museum and enjoy activities. We actually had scuba divers dive deep down into our habitats and carve jack-o'-lanterns, a first for here at the museum. And the coolest part, the fish end up eating the innards of those pumpkins after we carve them. So it's enrichment not only for our guests, but also our animals here in the collection themselves. Earlier this morning, we had a show that celebrated all types of spooky science chemical reactions. Those included a rainbow fire, a liquid nitrogen explosion, and even worked with the Tesla coil, and guests really loved it. Here at the museum, we're extremely excited about the grand opening of our brand new exhibit, Monster Fish, in Search of the Last River Giants from National Geographic.